Hello, it's Nick from Allied Electrical. Just thought we'd do a quick video this afternoon. A few of you in the local community social media group might have seen our post a few weeks back regarding the garage being broken into at home. So thought we would just do a quick video with regards to security for home and out buildings. So there's three parts to security. First one is to stop them trying to break in. So that's PIR lights, cameras, so on and so forth, that sort of thing. Second one is physical security, so sort of heavy duty locks and whatnot on the doors, sort of good quality handles, that sort of thing. And then the third part to it is if they do get in, obviously you want to stop them stealing anything and get them out there as quick as you can. So that's where an intruder alarm comes into play. So we're going to look at the first one today, which is actually trying to stop them trying to break in the first place. So we can have a little look at cameras and lights, and predominantly cameras. So there's numerous different manufacturers that do these type of cameras. Ring is one, Nest is another, eufy, and there are plenty of other ones. They're ever so straightforward to put in. You don't even need an electrician to do this, but I just thought I'd give you a quick demonstration of sort of how they work. So we're just going to have a little wander around the back of the garage and we'll see what happens. So we've got the garage door there, and up there you can see a camera, and as if by magic, just on the phone there, it's just popped up with an alert to say there's a person at the back of your garage. So if we now click on that, and there you can see us with the camera, and you can actually see a live feed from that garage camera. You can also see on this particular setup, we've also got one over the front of the driveway, and one outside on the front door as well. There is also another one to go up on the house, and I'll just actually show you that camera before we put it in, because it's ever so straightforward to put it in. As I say, you don't really even need an electrician to do it. It just needs a live neutral in earth, so you can wire it off of a flex and a plug top. Probably the biggest job you'll have is to drill through the wall. Obviously it can be quite thick and you'll need a long drill bit to do it, but they're ever so straightforward. Let's have a quick look at the actual camera and we'll see what's involved with installing it. Okay, welcome to the back of the van. So we've got a Ring camera here, and this is the one we're going to put up on the back of the house, but I just thought I'd show you it before we put it in. So if we just do, in the tradition of all the best YouTube videos, we're going to do an unboxing video. So if we slide that out of there, unfortunately we've opened it upside down. There we go. So in the box, we've got this little box of gubbins here. So in here we've got a little bag of fixings. They even give you a little screwdriver to install it with. It's very kind of them. And we've got the quick start guide and instructions and whatnot there. You even get a little sticker for your floor. Right, so the actual camera itself, so this particular one is a camera with floodlights combined. So it's got a little sensor on the bottom that picks up movement for the lights, and then you've got the camera there on the top. So how easy is it to install? Well, check this out. So it comes with a base plate, and all you do is you screw the base plate to the wall. Your cable comes in through the bottom, or comes in through the back rather, live, neutral and earth, and that's it. It's as straightforward as that. So all you need to do really there is a bit of flex straight at the back, straight through the wall, plug top the other side of the wall, and plug it into a socket outlet. That would do the job. For us, when we install them, we put them in with a fuse spur and obviously label it all up. It even comes with a little level bit on the top to tell you that you've actually screwed the thing up level to the wall. So you've got your base plate on the wall, live, neutral and earth, and then in the back of the fitting there's live, neutral and earth as well. Connect that to the other side of the connector block, and then fit the light to the back plate, and then use the 2 screws from there just to fix that on there, and just set the angle up for the camera and the actual lights. The only thing you need to do then is you need to pair it with the app, and it's all quite straightforward. And it's got a multitude of options in the app. You can set up detection zones. You can manually switch the lights on and off. This is with the Nest one. Different brands are obviously they work slightly differently, and as I say, sort of Nest and Eufy are 2 of the sort of other main brands. You can set it up in the app. You can set the light levels so that it's dim, so that you don't necessarily irritate the neighbours with the lights being on sort of full brightness all the time. You can manually switch the lights on so you're not walking out into darkness, so you don't need to trigger the little sensor to actually bring them on. That's quite a nice feature. And with the camera, you can actually set up your detection zones so that it's not going off all the time. It just picks up very particular areas. One nice feature with the Nest one, we do install quite a few of these, so we're quite familiar with them. It's actually got a speaker and a microphone built into the camera. So if, for example, you get an alert to say somebody's around the back of your garage, and you're not feeling particularly brave, you don't want to go out and confront them, you can actually, through the app, speak to them, say, "Wait, you're being recorded, sling your hook," and hopefully that'll be enough to put them off, or at least it'll make them look up at the camera, and you'll get a good shot of their face with a bit of luck. So yeah, it's a cracking bit of kit, really straightforward to install, and as I say, you don't really even need an electrician to do it. However, having said that, if you do want to install one of these or one of the other brands, the Nest or the Eufy ones, and you're not feeling confident, by all means give us a shout. Happy to install it for you. Or if you want to have a go at it yourself and you have any problems, again, feel free to give us a ring. Hopefully that's been of help to you. Thanks very much for watching, and stay safe.